Hello, Rusty RVerTV. Good morning. Today is Thursday, March 7th. I'm out and about around Quartzsite. Got quite a few errands to do. It's feeling good. I got a lot done on this van. Actually, the inside's pretty much as far as I can take it. Gonna work on a few storage ideas, but other than that, the inside's done. Next is a solar panel up top. But I need to take a break. Actually, I've been putting off a few things, and I gotta go by the town, gotta meet up with Desert Messenger today about some advertising, all kinds of stuff. So anyway, I thought we'd make a drive through. Let's make a left here on Main Street. Head on through town, do a quick drive through. You can see what it's like in March. You can see these RV dealers are starting to move rigs out. Because today's what, the 7th? Yeah, it's pretty much over for them. Vendors will be shutting down here in a week or two as well. Normally by 1st of April, the town really turns back to just a normal little town. But some people are still hanging, because up north it is still frigid, ton of snow, below zero temperatures, kind of awful. Okay, on the right, we just passed Reader's Oasis Bookstore. Getting up here close to the Plymouth Avenue. That's where, if you made it right there, you'd go up by all the town buildings, City Hall, Town Park is up that way. There's Family Dollar on the right. This town actually has 2 dollar stores for a town of 4,000. Just past Coyote Fresh there on the right. Good old Crawford's RV Park there on the left. Gasoline has kind of been staying the same, right in the $2.45-ish price range. It'll jump a penny or two, it'll go down a penny or two, and it's kind of equal to what Parker is now, amazingly. Okay, we're coming up to the intersection of Central Avenue and Main. Okay, continue on west on Main. That's the main intersection. There's only 2 traffic lights in the entire town, here and then on the other side of the interstate. Okay, this is the High Ollie showgrounds there. They are emptying out. There's a few of them. Most of the vendors you see staying are the ones from up in Montana, Washington, Idaho, because they don't want to go up where it's snowing and cold. They'd rather be open, even though there's not much going. Okay, here's all the RV parks. Holiday Palms on the left, Shady 8 Aids on the left. On the right, we just passed Hassler's, and they're emptying out too. Some of these parks you can rent the site yearly and leave your rig year-round. They don't care. A lot of them will let you put little storage buildings in as well too. You see a lot of that. Okay, we just passed B10 campground on the left. But you can just tell by the traffic, it's mid-morning, about 10:30 in the morning. Look at the clouds, aren't those pretty? Crystal clear. The weather has been perfect. Absolutely perfect. Mid-70s. I got 82 yesterday, but there's another couple fronts coming through. No rain, just windy and cooler. That's okay, it's still nice. Nights are right around 45, 50 degrees. Yacht Club, I think they're open for a few more weeks, and they shut down for the summer, spring and summer. Okay, this is the actual downtown district of Quartzsite. You got Pilot truck stop there on the left, McDonald's. On the right, you see all the little shops. There's Rock and Gem. Right there on the right, that brown building, that's the Chamber of Commerce. Which they're busy. They're open pretty much year round. That blue building there on the right's a tire shop. Looks like they're fixing a power pole there. Something going. And we're just passing Gem World on the right. And we're at the end of town. End of Main. We got Burger King there. And old Carl Jr.'s. That's it. And then on the right, the old Main Event Showgrounds. He doesn't have vendors anymore. For whatever reason. Don't know. Okay, we'll go back across. This is Interstate 10 and also exit 17. But if you're still down here in the area, there's still plenty to do. A lot of people are four-wheeling. If you're out in the desert, watch out. With it warming up, snakes are coming out. And they're pretty ornery when they wake up. So watch out for rattlesnakes if you're still in the area. Okay, that's Love's. Check it out. There's a Love's tanker truck on a tow truck. Wonder if he ran out of fuel. Sorry, couldn't resist. I doubt it. Yeah, at least he's getting towed in. Okay, we're heading, this is Kewen with a K. It's the road all the showgrounds are on. This will actually parallel along with Interstate 10 right up here. It's amazing how close. There's virtually no fence. It's like a little tiny wire fence. Most interstates are separated pretty good, but look at this. I mean, it's like, what, 15 feet, you're right off the interstate. There's been a few vehicle wrecks that cars come flying off that. End up clear over here on the right side. Okay, there's Desert Gardens on the right. Quite a few of their vendors are tearing down, getting out of Dodge. There's looks like a few of them still open. Not too many. But it's getting close to the middle of March. It's getting over. Can you believe it's the middle of March too? My God. This seems like we had Christmas. March of 2019. Man, I feel older every day. Okay, we're going to get up here, approaching Q Mountain, the community of Q Mountain. It's off to the right here. They're getting a whole new water system put in. Just met a guy the other day, purchased property out here. They're real happy with it. You can buy cheap here. You can buy park model, own your land right there in Q Mountain. The street right here. Go back in there. If you Google map it, you'll see it. Alright, this is Tyson Walsh. This is where all the flooding happens and heavy storms. In the summertime when the monsoons hit, the big thunderstorms, this thing will fill up too, like a raging river. Okay, and we're back at it. Here's Tyson Walsh Showgrounds. Now there are still vendors open. They will be open till the end of the month. Then it's over. There's Tyson Wells Game Store on the right. Now he'll be open past April. He stays open to like the end of May, clear into June. There at the game store. We see a lot of vendors here. On the right side's the seasonal. On the left, a lot of them guys, they'll start tearing down about the third week of March or near the end. See all the metal buildings are closed up. Prospectors is totally closed up. And that's it. You just did your loop around Quartzsite in March 7th. Okay, coming up this week, I gotta make a run to Parker, get a few supplies. You'll see that video, and then it's back on the van, working on the solar. Gotta get that solar panel mounted up on the van. So that'll be video coming up as well. Plus I'll do kind of a final of the van bits and pieces I've added, a few ideas, but pretty much the inside's done. We go on from there. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon. Take care.